Jace Tunnell here for Beachcombing. Look what washed up today. A boat on Mustang Island. Let's go check it out. We're on Mustang Island here. Jeez. Wow. Now we have seen a couple of these show up before. And one was on North Padre, and then one was over a little north of Port Aransas. The one north of Port Aransas, I mean, it was even crazier than this one, where people would have to ride on it with like barrels. So let's see what they got. Sometimes by looking in these, you can tell, you know, how many people might have been in here, what kind of conditions they had. Now I don't see, okay, there's a Coke bottle, but sometimes you'll see water bottles. But I don't know, if people were rescued off of this, like if the Coast Guard would have rescued somebody, they would have put OK on it. And so I don't see that on this one. The Coast Guard, they're not into like rescuing vessels. So that's why they put OK on it. They take the people off, make sure they're okay. And then, you know, depending on whatever country they came from, you know, take care of that. But they would put OK on it so that other people that see the boat know that the people that were on it were safe or saved. So I don't know, let's look inside of here. A lot of clothes. Looks like it was made out of styrofoam. And there's some bracing inside of there. They had a tarp, probably for shade. A lot of clothes. And then this sail, man, it's made out of, I don't know, that's not your typical like material. It's more like a plastic type. Wow. Okay, well, what's this? It's in Spanish. I don't know. I don't know what that is, but probably some kind of hydration type stuff. Now look at this. Now normally when we've seen these before, they've had floats. Like this right here would have a big float on it, and that would keep them from capsizing. And you know, it looks like those got busted off. Man, I hope the people on here are okay. Now look at this. Ooh, it smells. But that's what a flying fish looks like. See these big pectoral fins there? They must have flown in here. Woo! Smell it. Rudder! We got a rudder! But okay, thought y'all be interested in seeing this. That's pretty crazy. That's what's washing up this week on Mustang Island. We'll talk to you later. Bye.